boxes for Jared H. We've got a 2020-21 Obsidian Basketball, 2021 Leaf Metal Draft Baseball Jumbo Box, 2021 Triple Threads Baseball, and a 2018 Plates and Patches. All right, Jared, thanks so much for your order. Good luck. Here we go. We're going to start with the Leaf Metal Draft. All right, we've got 9 autographs, including a one-of-one slab proof card. All right, let's take that out. Empty box here. Set that back there. Here we go. Wow, that Bowman's Best case has been insane for Kyle over there on the Twitch and YouTube. Get this open. There we go. All right, here we go. Good luck, Jared. Up first, we have a AJ Smith Shaver. AJ Smith Shaver auto. Nice. Next, we have Andrew Abbott. Andrew Abbott auto. Not numbered. The first one was out of 15. Apologize about that. 15. We've got a cracked ice. Cards are sticking together. Of Ben Caderna. Cracked ice. That one's not numbered. What's up, Luke? What's up, Sunset? Next, a Anthony Solometo. Anthony Solometo auto. Not numbered. Got Brock Selvage. Brock Selvage. Not numbered. Next, a Brett Batty. Silver. Not numbered. We've got a blue cracked ice of Cameron Cawley. Cameron Cawley blue ice. That is 4 out of 15. We've got purple ice of Draylon Lyle. Purple. That is 1 out of 10. Nice low numbered one there. Got another ice. This one is of Khalil Watson. Khalil Watson. Not numbered. And just a little filler. All right. And for your one-of-one slab, we've got State Pride of Colson Montgomery. Colson Montgomery, one-of-one production proof clear. Colson Montgomery. There you go. All right, that'll do it for the Leaf draft. Let's do Obsidian Basketball next. Good luck on this one, Jared. Get to rip a little bit of every sport. Baseball, basketball, and football. Let's see a big redemption out of here. That would be sick. All right.
Releasing Secrets of Man.
Let me grab some sleeves.
So now they're this feud.
All right.
Rogue and
up first, we've got purple
it's
for the Spurs out of 99, a Rudy Gay.
I joined this. I joined that side.
Rudy Gay.
Yeah, pretty much.
Then we've got Tunnel Vision of KD. Nice one there.
Victories to get Ryan.
That is 35 of 99. Hope he heals quickly. People were saying he sprained his MCL the other night. Glad nothing was torn. KD's the GOAT. Then we've got a DeMar DeRozan for the Spurs. Mr. DeRozan. Rookie for the Pelicans, a Kira Lewis Jr. Kira Lewis Jr. rookie base, Pelicans. And last base before we get to the autos, we've got a Thomas Bryant for the Wizards. Thomas Bryant. Not numbered. All right, first auto up out of 149. Aurora autographs for the Spurs box. A James Silas. Spurs box for sure. It's like the third Spurs card. It's going to be the first one. Aurora. And we've got out of 99 RPA of Precious Achiuwa for the Heat. Precious Achiuwa. RPA to 99. True RPA. All right, nice obsidian box there for you. Let's go ahead and do triple threats. Save the 2018 plates and patches for last. Jared, weren't you the one that just hit the 1-of-1 Lambjack RPA out of that? That was a nasty card. Crazy, crazy card. See if it's a hot case. That patch on that was filthy too. All right. Here we go. Pack number 1 of the triple threads. We've got Ohtani, Ozzie Smith, and Clayton Kershaw. We've got a redemption up next. Let's see. A rookie, base rookie and future phenoms, autograph relic card, amethyst, parallel of Sam Huff. Sam Huff for the Rangers, redemption. What's up, Kyle? Yeah, that was a crazy card. We've got a single jumbo relic to 27, rookie Joey Bart, San Fran. And that is player worn. Nice Bart. Out of 259, Andrew McCutchen. And out of 299, Mike Trout. All right. We've got Brian Hayes, rookie. Will Clark and Mike Schmidt. And we've got, for the Padres, nice. Out of 18, game used memorabilia, strong and swift. Fernando Tatis Jr. Nice hit there for you, Jared. Nice Tatis game used. Yeah, bat relic and jersey. Strong and swift. Ripping anything tonight, Kyle? You went on a hot streak last time. Did you get your, that was you that hit the 5 of 5 Ant-Man that we pulled out of 1-1, right? That was insane. And we've got to 99, rookie auto, Joey Bart. Joey Bart rookie auto. Nice one there. Then last 2 cards out of here. Out of 99, Bo Jackson. And out of 125, Francisco Lindor. All right, nice box of triple threads there. Last but not least, we've got some plates and patches. 2018. Let's see. 2018. Let's see some Josh Allen. That would be crazy, huh? All right. Up first, out of 99, we've got Lamar Miller for the Texans. Lamar Miller. Yeah, that and the gold. Is an Ant-Man kind of night for you, huh? Nice Lamar Miller. I posted that on my Facebook page, and someone's like, "Can I buy that?" I was like, I didn't pull that, unfortunately. It was for a customer. Out of 50, Julio Jones. Nice blue Jones. We've got, here's a sweet one. Player worn. We've got Zeke Elliott, Dak Prescott, and Michael Gallup. 2 out of 50. Talented trios. That's a sick one. Nice patches on all of those. At least those are all 2-color patches. Very nice. To 50. Try my best, Kyle. All right, then we've got Playmaker out of 15 on-card auto of James White. James White, 3 of 15. Playmaker. Nice low-numbered on-card auto. And last but not least, we've got a Nathan Peterman out of 2017 Illusions. How does that work? 2017 out of a 2018 product. First impressions. Nathan Peterman. 1 of 1 yellow plate. All right, Jared. That will do it for you. Congrats on all those hits. Thanks so much for hopping in. We'll be getting this right out to you.